Wake up! We're late! Come on, get moving! I can't be late again! David, wake up! We are late!
Hello everyone, my friends. My name is Sophia. Today I will tell you about a crazy travel morning. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. First, I wake up very suddenly. I look at the clock. It is 7:30 inches the morning. Our flight is at 1000. My heart beats fast. I feel nervous. The sunlight is bright. The room feels warm and messy. I shout out, "David, wake up, we are late." Then we rush around the house. I pack clothes into the suitcase. Zip, zip. The sound is loud. David carries the heavy bags. Peter looks for his shoes. Anna puts on her backpack. Everyone moves fast. Next, I check my travel checklist. Tickets, yes. Phone, yes. Then I check the passports. Wait, the passports are not here. My face feels cold. I feel panic. Panic means a sudden strong fear. I say, "David, the passports are missing." After that, Peter speaks. "Mom, they are here." He holds the passports. They are under the pillow. I feel very relieved. The passports are blue and small. A passport is a small book with your photo. You need it to travel to another country. Peter, you are a hero. Now we run to the car. Next, we arrive at the airport. The building is big and bright. Many people stand in line. We go to the check-in counter. The agent smiles and says, "Good morning." The agent asks, "Where are you flying today?" I say, "Costa Rica." San Jose Airport. Here are our passports. The agent checks the computer. David puts 2 suitcases on the scale. The agent gives us our boarding passes. Our gate is 22. Look at this word, overslept. Overslept means you sleep too long. I planned to wake up at 6, but I woke up at 7:30. I overslept. Look at another word, boarding pass. A boarding pass is your ticket for the airplane. You show it at the gate before you enter the plane. Finally, we sit at the gate. I look at the boarding pass again. The sky outside is blue. The airplane is big and white. I take a deep breath. We made it on time. Now I feel calm and happy. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Here is my passport. Where is the boarding gate? We made it on time. Very good. Quick question. Who found the passports? Was it David or Peter? The answer is Peter. He found them under the pillow. That is my crazy travel morning. Sometimes the start is stressful, but the journey is beautiful. What about you? Do you like flying on airplanes? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.